Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us on our YouTube and Facebook pages. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. We are back out here in Kansas City. This is our big project we've been working on. Last Friday, we were able to get concrete out here first thing in the morning to encase all 9 of our King Piers underneath the bottom row of the stone foundation. So the foundation is back to its correct level elevation, and now we kind of get to the main event, so to speak, of this project, and that is fixing the massive damage in the brick. You can see a little bit of it here. You know, that is severely bowing outward. So we're going to get the brick back into place. This is kind of going to go in conjunction with getting the stone foundation as well. You can see we're chipping out all the loose stone and mortar. A lot of this is going to need to be done from the inside as well, just to remove that stone that's bowing out of alignment and get it rebuilt back vertically. So we're not going to stop with the brick. We're going to do the brick and the stone, try to get everything back flush where it needs to be. So you can kind of see a lot of the damage going on right there and how much this wall of brick is coming out. So let's see here. So everything is moving right along now that we got the major labor-intensive part of the project done. The piers are complete. We've got the dirt backfilled. Everything's good there. We have a lot more access now to get to the rest of the stone and the brick. So everything should go pretty quickly now from over the next week and a half or so before we get this finished up. And again, on the inside, once we get the stone back vertically, we will do our stone foundation renovation on the interior stone walls wherever accessible. And all that entails is doing the high strength concrete mortar, top to bottom, corner to corner, filling in any gaps or cracks along the way. And then once that new mortar is dry, we will paint with white Drylok waterproofing paint, and that is pretty much it for this project. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, please leave a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.